Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into a review of KOS Internet, a Canadian internet provider. If you're exploring your internet options, especially in rural Ontario, this review is for you. I've provided helpful links to KOS's product offerings and plans in the description below. In this video, we'll explore KOS's key features, their target audience, and discuss whether they truly meet the demands of modern internet usage. KOS Internet Services is a Canadian provider specifically focusing on bridging the digital divide in rural and underserved communities. They offer a variety of reliable and flexible internet plans designed to cater to the diverse needs of individuals, families, and small businesses. These communities often struggle to find high-quality internet options from larger providers. KOS's coverage area primarily spans across Ontario, with a dedicated emphasis on providing consistent connectivity to regions where traditional broadband access is limited or non-existent. A key feature of KOS's internet service is the flexibility of their packages. They offer both DSL and fiber options, depending on your location's availability. Speeds range from basic browsing levels to more robust plans that can comfortably handle streaming, online gaming, and remote work demands. This gives KOS the ability to provide a tailored solution to suit a wide range of user needs and internet usage patterns. Importantly, they offer unlimited data plans. This means you don't have to worry about overage charges, a significant advantage for those who are heavy internet users. Beyond their plans, KOS Internet is known for its personalized customer service. Unlike larger ISPs, they prioritize a local, customer-centric approach. Their support team is readily accessible and known for its quick issue resolution, making KOS a reliable choice for those who value dependable and effective customer assistance. Furthermore, KOS's pricing is transparent, meaning no hidden fees or unexpected charges. You know exactly what you're paying for each month, which adds to their overall value. While KOS Internet may not offer the absolute fastest speeds available in densely populated urban areas, their strength lies in delivering stable and consistent connections in rural locations where internet options are often limited or unreliable. This focus on reliability and simplicity over ultra-high speeds makes KOS an excellent option for users who prioritize consistent connectivity. Their services are also well-suited to small businesses that require dependable internet access for their daily operations. For anyone residing in Ontario, particularly in rural areas, and seeking an internet provider that focuses on strong rural connectivity, excellent customer service, and straightforward plans, KOS Internet is certainly worth considering. For more information on their specific offerings and to explore their plans in detail, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching here at Rome Tech, and I hope this review helps you make a well-informed decision about your internet service provider.